Welcome to the comprehensive guide on the IIIT Hyderabad undergraduate entrance examination pattern for 2026. This presentation will walk you through the exam structure, syllabus, and essential preparation tips. The UGEE is a computer-based test that serves as the primary gateway to IIIT Hyderabad's dual degree programs. Unlike many entrance exams, it assesses not only academic excellence but also research potential. The UGEE 2026 is specifically designed for students aiming for BTech plus MSc by research pathways. The UG exam consists of two key sections: SUPR, Subject Proficiency Test. This 60-minute section assesses your core knowledge in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. REAP, Research Aptitude Test, lasting 120 minutes. This section evaluates your critical thinking, reasoning, and problem-solving abilities essential for research-focused programs. Both the SUPR and REAP sections have a negative marking system. For each incorrect answer, 25% of the marks for that question will be deducted. The REAP section carries more weight per question, reflecting its focus on research aptitude. All questions in UGE are multiple choice and presented in English. There are no descriptive questions, ensuring that you focus purely on objective assessment, which helps you concentrate on the subject matter. The SUPR section covers key class 11 and 12 concepts in physics, chemistry, and mathematics, including topics such as electrostatics, thermodynamics, calculus, and organic chemistry. It's similar to the JGE main exam, but with a focus on subjects relevant to IIIT Hyderabad's curriculum. The REAP section goes beyond traditional curricula, focusing on critical and creative thinking, your ability to approach problems from multiple angles, data interpretation and reasoning, analyzing complex data sets and drawing inferences, advanced problem solving, how you tackle novel and unseen problems, which is critical for research-focused programs. The UGE selection process includes initial shortlisting based on SUPR scores, final shortlisting based on REAP scores, online interview in June 2026, which is mandatory. Final admission depends on your interview performance, ensuring that students have both academic knowledge and research potential. Key dates for UG 2026. February 4, 2026, application window opens. March 23, 2026, last date for applications. April 9, 2026, admit card release. April 19, 2026, exam day. June 4 to 6, 2026, interview rounds. Application fees are 3,000 rupees for general candidates and 1,500 rupees for female candidates. To succeed in UG, focus on mastering Class 11 and 12 PCM concepts with an emphasis on application. Practice previous year's papers to understand the exam's unique pattern. Develop critical thinking and logical reasoning skills for REAP success. Lastly, adopt strategic test taking by learning to skip wisely and avoid negative marking.